Hey, this is Dave. In this video, I will go over the Manage Categories icon on the Cherry dashboard. Let's get into it. Basically, on this page, this is the way that you want to define the products that make up your inventory. And if you come to this page setting up the Cherry workbook, it will be blank, and you will be uploading the information that you set up in the workbook. Or if you come to the page from our demo account setup, it will look just like this. Now, one thing I want to point out is we added parent categories and subsequent Cherry development. In the beginning, we just had category names that were the ones you see as subs. And because of that, there is a limitation in that our demo cannot pre-match the parent categories and the subcategory names for you. So to do that, what you need to do is click on Edit on one of the subcategory names, and then simply choose a parent category. And this is paper and packaging, so that would be for us disposable supplies. And like I said, this isn't set in stone, or I didn't say it yet, but this is not set in stone. With anything that we have built in Cherry, we built it for flexibility. So you can delete names, you can edit names, you can do whatever it is that you need to do to make this information organized in the manner that you want to for your facility. A lot of people are starting to use Cherry for management of alcohol bar items and inventory because it's easy. So you can go ahead, if you wanted to, you could add a parent category for alcoholic beverages, and then you could add some subcategories underneath it if you like for, say, beer, wine, spirits. You could even go further and say draft beer, bottled beer, whatever. However it works for you is how you set this up. So as with anything, the page is always being improved, and everything in Cherry is always under redevelopment. So eventually you'll see a new video and you'll see this page relayed out. But in the meantime, that's how you work with it. And what ends up happening with this data as you refine it is it becomes part of food costing. So when you want to get into doing Cherry's inventory and you start looking at the cost of goods reports, then you'll be able to look at these types of reports by these categories. So if you want to see your food cost overall, you'll be able to just leave everything. But if you just want to see the food costs of only your food, or only your beverage, or only your dairy, you'll be able to do that. So it makes for some pretty powerful reporting and some pretty common sense reporting, which is another thing that you know that Cherry and Dave DeSantis, the food cost dude, are always about. So we'll go ahead and return to the dashboard. If you have any questions about the categories, how to use them, how to set them up, how to delete them, edit them, anything that it might be that you need, just get in touch with us. There's always the contact icon here at the bottom right side of the page, or you can call us from the phone numbers on the beginning at the front of the website. Anyhow, have a Cherry day.